Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically buy and sell tokens on Solana in 2025. Let's dive right in. First things first, there are a few trading bots available for Solana, like the Solana trading bot and SolMaker. You can find this on platform like GitHub or directly on the SolMaker website. Once you have found the bot that works for you, the next step is to create a new Solana wallet. After that, you'll need to transfer some SOL, Solana's native cryptocurrency, into your wallet. You may also need to convert some SOL into USDC or another stablecoin depending on the bot's configuration. Next, follow the instructions provided by the bot's documentation. This usually involves setting up things like your wallet's private key, RPC endpoints, and your trading strategies. Once you've got everything configured, you're ready to go. Run the bot and it will start monitoring market conditions in real time, executing trade based on the parameters and strategies you have set up. Now it's important to keep an eye on bot's performance. You might need to make adjustments from time to time to fine tune your strategy. And that's it. That's how you can automatically buy and sell tokens on Solana. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more video like this. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one as always. I have promised.